circle, triangle, square, star, oval, heart, diamond, pentagon, hexagon. Like and subscribe. Let's learn animals. Hi, guess the animal. Alligator. Alligator. Correct. Next, guess this animal. Bear. Bear. Guess this animal. Horse. Horse. Next. Cow. Cow. Correct. Guess the animal. Elephant. Elephant. Right? Guess this animal. Lion. Lion. Correct? Who is this? Dog. Dog. Like and subscribe. Let's learn fruits and colors.
Red,
Apple.
pink,
Strawberry.
blue,
Blue.
Blueberry. Blue and purple. Blueberry. Grapes.
Let's learn shape.
Let's learn vegetable with colors.
Red,
Tomato.
Pink.
Radish.
blue,
Blue.
Blue potato. Blue and purple. Blue potato. Purple cabbage. Subscribe! Let's learn colors with xylophone. Red. Orange. Yellow. Purple. Blue. Light blue. Green. Pink. Subscribe.